Sorry for the inconvenient. Sometimes automatically uh, current is switched off in my home, so that is the main problem. Okay, next, the continuation of the impossibility of transverse electromagnetic wave in rectangular waveguide. Okay, the continuation of the last lecture we already seen here up to here. Next, I'm separating the ax, ay, az. Here also I'm separating the ax term, ay term and az term. Okay, after that separating these LHS and RHS, I equating the identity terms, that means equal terms. I'm equating the equal terms, that means ax term, ax term, ay term, ay term, az term, az term. Okay, what we are getting? Ax into this term, ay into this term. How to get this term? If you know, just if you know, you don't see. If you don't know, please see. If you know or if you don't know, please see all. How to get like this? Okay, for example, I'm doing ax term. Yes, you simply remember, whenever you're doing for ax term, just you skip this term and this term also. Okay, this term and this term. What we are getting? These four terms are we are getting. Already you know what is the det of some matrix, that is AD minus BC. That is a form of det, that is mod, I think modulus and modulus. Okay, so I'm getting ax, I'm getting for ax, so I'm doing dou by dou y into hz minus, already minus is there, so minus of minus plus, so gamma into hy. So I'm getting like this. So I want ay term, I want ay term. Okay, so I want ay term, so ay term, you skip the ay term, so what we are getting? Dou by dou x into hz minus of gamma into hx. This is I want get. Okay, next I want az term, so for that az term, then what you do? Just you skip the az term, so this is the remaining terms, a d minus b into c. They are getting like this. So after got from LHS side, just you go simply multiply j omega epsilon with this term. Okay, after multiplying we are getting like this. So after we are getting total equation, just I am separating the identity terms. So this term completely belongs to ax term. Here ax is there, ax is there. I am equating these two terms. Okay, this is regarding these equations. Okay, what we are getting? Dou hz by dou y plus gamma hy is equal to j omega epsilon ex is the fourth equation. Dou hz by dou x plus gamma hx is equal to minus j omega epsilon ey is the fifth equation, and dou hy by dou x minus dou hx by dou y is equal to j omega epsilon ez is the sixth equation. So how to get these equations? From this equation we are getting like this. Okay, this is regarding in this h term is there, in this e term is there. Okay, this combination of TE and TM. So I am already explaining the TEM. What is the TEM? Refers the combination of electric and magnetic. So H terms is there in LHS side, RHS side EX terms are there, EX, EY, EZ. Here HX, HY, HY, HX, HZ, HY. Okay, the mixing of these two electric and magnetic components, that is known as TEM, transverse electromagnetic. Okay, next, after similarly we are applying Maxwell's second equation. What is the Maxwell's second equation? So del cross E is equal to minus j omega mu h. This is equal to second Maxwell's equation. We already seen in the first Maxwell's equation, and this is the first Maxwell equation. From this equation we solving some steps, we are getting like this only. So similarly like this we are getting from this Maxwell's equation. So how to get? Similar manner, just you see the similar manner. So expand out del cross LHS side in cross product, and RHS side you simply Cartesian coordinate system. After that you replace dou by dou z with minus gamma. Okay, that means here dou by dou z is where is you take here also you take dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. In this dou by dou z you simply write minus gamma. Okay, because of some standard formulas we are using like that only. Dou by dou z is equal to minus gamma. Why dou by dou z? Dou by dou z is the length of that particular propagation of waveguide. So that's why I'm taking gamma. Gamma is what? Here gamma is propagation constant. Okay, so you write RHS side is this one and LHS side delta C. Okay, after you written this one, what you do, just I'm separating and equating the similar quantity, similar terms. Then what you do, already I'm explained, just you see. Okay, expand the above equation and equating the coefficients on both sides, then we can get this the AX term and AY term and AZ term. Here also AX term, AY term, AZ term. So I'm equating equal terms. Okay, I'm equating first AX terms. This is AX from LHS and this is AX from RHS, and this is also AY from LHS and this is from AY from RHS, and this is AZ term from LHS and this is AZ term from RHS, and this one. Okay, so how to get, we are getting from Maxwell's equation 2. Okay, this is also you see EZ EY, here HX, EZ EX, here HY, EY EX, here HZ. The combination of these two, that means transverse electromagnetic, that is TEM. Okay, for example, in this equation only EZ terms are, only EX terms are, only EY terms are there. So that should be, that expression should be going to transverse magnetic wave. For example, this equation contains totally H terms. That equation is known as transverse electric wave. For example, this equation, the combination of EX and HX, so that expression is known as transverse electromagnetic. That means the combination of electric and magnetic. Just you simple remember. Okay, so by solving the simplifying equations 4, 5, 6, what is the 4, 5, 6? And this is the 4, 5, 6 equations and 7, 8, 9. Okay, from these solving these equations, finally we are getting the expression fields for EX EY and HX XY. This is the, after simplification of, just you do, if you have a time, just you do how to do. Yes, just you simple remember that formulas also is there now. Yes, so after simplifying the equation 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, then we are getting EX term. This is the expression field EX term. What is the EX term? Minus gamma by H square dou Ez by dou X minus j omega mu by H square into dou Hz by dou Y. Okay, this is the EX term. Next to go for expression for EY. So what's the EY expression? Minus gamma by H square into dou Ez by dou Y plus j omega mu by H square into dou Hz by dou X. Okay, just to simple remember. Okay, if you feel these expressions are very big, just I am saying only one trick how to remember this one. Just use after you listen first. After I am saying easy trick. Hx is equal to, the expression for Hx is equal to minus gamma by H square into dou Hz by dou X plus j omega epsilon by H square into dou Ez by dou Y, and this